Imagine a land where snow-capped peaks touch the heavens, where crystal-clear lakes reflect the skies, and centuries-old castles guard charming villages. Welcome to Switzerland, a land where natural wonders and rich history create a world like no other. From the iconic Matterhorn to the serene shores of Lake Geneva, Switzerland is a treasure trove of scenic beauty and timeless elegance. Each corner of this alpine paradise whispers tales of enduring charm, where bustling cities blend seamlessly with untouched landscapes. Whether you're drawn by the thrill of cascading waterfalls, the tranquility of glacial lakes, or the allure of medieval towns, Switzerland offers an experience that feels like stepping into a dream. The Matterhorn is one of the most iconic peaks in the world, famously dubbed the Mountain of Mountains. This majestic peak, straddling the border between Switzerland and Italy, stands at 4,478 meters and epitomizes the splendor of the Swiss Alps. Its distinct pyramid shape is a magnet for adventurers and photographers alike. Since the first historic ascent in 1865, which ended tragically for 4 climbers on their descent, the Matterhorn has continued to be a goal for experienced mountaineers. Today, those less inclined to climb can admire it from Zermatt, a charming car-free town nearby. One of the Matterhorn's crowning attractions is the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise, the highest cable car station in Europe. Visitors here are treated to breathtaking panoramas of surrounding peaks and the Glacier Palace, where intricate ice sculptures glisten under mesmerizing lights. The Matterhorn's image has become a symbol of Switzerland, appearing on everything from luxury chocolate to Swiss postcards, a reminder of its powerful beauty. Lake Geneva, or Lac Léman in French, is one of Europe's largest and most scenic lakes. It spans the border between Switzerland and France, covering an impressive 580 square kilometers. The lake is framed by vineyards, charming towns, and the stunning Alps, creating a landscape straight out of a painting. The city of Geneva, at the lake's western edge, is a bustling international hub, hosting organizations like the United Nations and the Red Cross. The lake's deep blue waters offer endless opportunities for adventure, boat cruises, swimming, and even the famous jet d'eau fountain, which shoots water 140 meters into the air. Nearby, the Château de Chillon, a 1,000-year-old medieval castle, offers a peek into Switzerland's past. And then there's Montreux, where the renowned Montreux Jazz Festival brings music lovers from around the world each summer, adding a rhythmic heartbeat to this lakeside wonder. Don't forget to subscribe, it will help us keep going. Known as the top of Europe, Jungfraujoch is a high-altitude saddle in the Bernese Alps, resting at 3,454 meters above sea level. It's home to Europe's highest railway station, accessible via a cogwheel train that tunnels through mighty Alpine mountains. The journey is as thrilling as the destination, with sweeping views of the famous Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau peaks. Arriving at Jungfraujoch is like stepping into another world. The glacier, the sparkling ice palace, and the Sphinx Observatory offer panoramic views of snow-capped peaks and the expansive Aletsch Glacier, the longest in the Alps. Beyond the stunning landscape, Jungfraujoch is also a hub for scientific research, where scientists study astronomy, glaciology, and meteorology. This unique blend of nature, adventure, and science makes Jungfraujoch a highlight for any Swiss traveler. Château de Chillon is one of Europe's best preserved castles, situated on the shores of Lake Geneva near Montreux. With over 1,000 years of history, the castle's fortified walls have seen everything from noble residencies to state prisons. One of its most famous prisoners, François Bonivard, inspired Lord Byron's famous poem, The Prisoner of Chillon. Visitors can explore the castle's grand halls, the chapel adorned with medieval frescoes, and the atmospheric underground vaults. Views of Lake Geneva and the Alps add to the castle's allure, while guided tours offer rich stories from Switzerland's medieval past. Château de Chillon is a journey through time, blending architectural grandeur with the raw beauty of the surrounding landscape. The Rhine Falls, near Schaffhausen, is Europe's largest waterfall, standing 23 meters high and 150 meters wide. Here, the sheer power of nature is on full display. Each second, thousands of liters of water rush over the falls, creating a thunderous roar and a mist that fills the air. This spectacle is at its peak in the summer, when the snowmelt from the Alps swells the river. Visitors can experience the falls from different perspectives, whether on a boat that ventures close to the roaring base, or from platforms that offer sweeping views. Surrounding the falls are lush green landscapes, castles, and hiking trails, creating a haven for those drawn to nature's most awe-inspiring displays. Nestled in the shadow of the Matterhorn, Zermatt is a car-free village that feels like a timeless alpine escape. Known for its world-class skiing and charming wooden chalets, Zermatt attracts outdoor enthusiasts and leisure travelers year-round. In winter, the slopes come alive with over 360 kilometers of ski pistes, while summer brings endless hiking and mountain biking trails. Zermatt is also home to the Gornergrat Railway, which transports visitors up to the Gornergrat summit, where they can enjoy breathtaking views of the Matterhorn and surrounding peaks. The village itself is filled with cozy cafes, high-end boutiques, and traditional Swiss architecture, making it a perfect base for exploring the beauty of the Swiss Alps. Interlaken, located between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, is a playground for adventure seekers. Surrounded by the towering peaks of the Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau, it's famous for extreme sports like paragliding, skydiving, and canyoning. The lakes themselves offer peaceful escapes, with scenic boat rides and lakeside picnics. The town, with its vibrant promenades, traditional Swiss chalets, and local festivals, adds cultural richness to the experience. Interlaken is also a gateway to the Jungfrau region, offering easy access to hiking trails, ski slopes, and panoramic mountain excursions. In central Switzerland, Lucerne enchants visitors with its medieval architecture, the iconic chapel bridge, and the moving lion monument, commemorating Swiss guards who died in the French Revolution. Located on the shores of Lake Lucerne, the city is a perfect mix of history, nature, and culture. Lake Lucerne itself is a beautiful sight, surrounded by peaks like Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi, accessible by scenic cable cars and cogwheel railways. A boat cruise across the lake reveals picturesque villages and mountain vistas, adding a serene touch to any Swiss itinerary. If you enjoyed this adventure, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community of travelers. We'll be exploring more incredible places around the world, with guides, tips, and must-see destinations to help you discover your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and let us know in the comments which Swiss destination you'd love to visit the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.